Hey folks, Alan Mandic, the Hot Rod Hippie here with a little more SEMA 2019 content. This is for you folks who drive on the left-hand side of the road, those folks down under, across the pond, and well, the rest of the world, we pretty much don't do that. But for you folks who might be building a right-hand drive custom car, we've got an AC unit specific for your needs, along with a few more AC products from the folks at RestoMod Air. So let's check it out.
SEMA 2019 coverage is brought to you by the fine folks at Trick Tools, high-performance tools for fabricators, and home of the no-junk guarantee. SEMA coverage is also brought to you by the folks at Sunex Tools, high-quality hand tools, shop equipment, and tool storage options at affordable prices. Links in the description down below.
Now, RestoMod had a handful of new products on display, but let's get ahead right into the title of this video, the thing that I mentioned in the intro, the right-hand drive AC kit. Now, they're calling this unit the Esky Bantam. Bantam is kind of their standard product line name. Esky is the unique name for the right-hand drive kit. This is excellent because it has the ports and the fan on the opposite side of the box from pretty much every other aftermarket AC box that I've been able to find or ever used personally. This unit is actually fairly compact as well, so it'll fit into some of those tighter locations. If you're working on something like a Mini Cooper that's right-hand drive, you want to get AC into that thing, you're not going to have a ton of space in that car. The width of this thing is 19.05 centimeters and the length of it is 44.45 centimeters. So it's really not that large of a unit, especially even compared to a bunch of the aftermarket kits I've ever used in even street rods or more compact vehicles. RestoMod Air has been around for a while now and I've found their products quite interesting, but this one really did catch my eye. Seeing them pay attention to the market and see what else is out there, you folks down in Australia, you folks in the United Kingdom, you make up a pretty big segment of the automotive world, or folks here in the US building right-hand drive cars. I work at a shop in New Hampshire at my day job, and we have a Mini Cooper there right now that is right-hand drive. This AC kit would be beautiful for that. Everything I've seen of RestoMod products are top quality. The fit and finish, everything looks great, but the price does reflect that. This is going for $875 US right now. You'll have to convert to whatever denominations you use and contact them if you're interested in this product. Continuing along with the different products that they had on display, another new product from the folks at RestoMod was their ultra compact unit. It's part of their Bantam line as well, and this is just a slightly smaller unit. They call it the ultra compact, but it's really not that much smaller than their previous smaller unit. But it is a fair bit smaller than the competition's smallest unit. So this could be really intriguing for those folks building street rods or other compact small cars that need to use every little bit of space. This unit measures 17.5 inches long and 6.5 inches deep. So even compared to that right-hand drive unit, it's only about 1 inch narrower, but it's the same length. Not really that much of a difference overall, but that's about 2 to 3 inches shorter than the competition shortest unit that I've used in the past and always found, man, I wish this thing was a little bit smaller. This unit goes for the same price as that right-hand drive unit, $875 US. Now, one thing RestoMod seems to really focus on and does well is put style into their stuff. They really seem to put a little effort into creating a more unique, interesting looking part than just whatever off-the-shelf item has been existing for the last 20, 30 years in the aftermarket AC systems. Their knobs, their bulkheads, their AC vents all stand out as unique designs that just catch your eye. They had a few new ones on display. Their new Reactor Pod controls. Now these are individual controls for your fan, your heat, your vent location, and these are separated from one another. So you can actually take these and put them at different locations on your dashboard. They're LED backlit to create an interesting and eye-catching design that could also allow you to see them in the dark. Riding down the road, you'll still be able to see where your controls are thanks to that lighting. You can match that lighting to your color scheme of your vehicle with one of the 6 color options that they come with. The Reactor Pods, those 3 separate little things going at 1.88 inches in diameter, so really not the biggest things in the world, not like there's a huge chunk of metal here. They are $425 for this set. It is a great looking set and it could really set off the interior vehicle. Sometimes I look at custom cars and they put so much work in all the details that I've been guilty of this so many times. Put all that work in, get these details just right. And then the AC controls are just like these off-the-shelf $100 things that just everybody has them in every car. They all look the same. Having something to really make your ride stand out, it's one more detail to make that thing have a better finish overall. The last item we're going to talk about from the folks at RestoMod is one of their new square vent designs. As I said before, their vents are just, they look so good. The finish on them is none of that cheap plastic stuff you get with some of the other companies. It is all high quality CNC machined materials. The square vents could really fit into some of those different vehicles, maybe the 80s vehicles, 70s vehicles, even the OBS Chevys I talked about in a recent video. These could have a nice design to fit into those kind of flatter, squared off interior designs of those older vehicles. These things look great. They come in either a silver or a black finish, and they just have a different design than the round holes that everybody is using for AC vents. They are running about $250 USD. The folks at RestoMod Air have a range of new products. There's a bunch of other stuff. There are so many new ones. Check out their website for all the different designs and ideas that they have for you. I don't mean to be sounding like I'm just saying their products are too expensive. I'm not saying that. I just want to be clear and fair about the pricing for you folks. I don't want to tell you, these are the best things, you should buy them, and then you get to the website and you get mad at me because they're wicked expensive compared to what you thought they might be. They are excellent products. The quality is there. The materials they use, everything screams quality about these products. They look great and they really catch the eye. You just have to decide if it's something you're willing to spend to put into your car to make it that top tier finish. All right, folks, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, please go ahead and drop it a like. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of these products? What do you think of that right-hand drive AC kit? Those Reactor Control Knobs giving you that kind of Iron Man vibe going there? Let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to keep up to date with all the SEMA 2019 content yet to come and the HotRodHippie regular content. Thanks for coming around, folks.